Hi guys, how's it going? Please let me know if the sound is good. Okay, nice. Okay guys, we're just updating you with the trades we have given early, and also we've made a video for you guys including those trades. I just uploaded the video now, so if you guys want to check it out, it will be nice. Okay, so we can see right now the pound dollar is crashing really nice. The euro dollar is crashed so bad, this middle trade right here. Hey guys, we did enter at this price. You can see this is a nice candle right here. You probably can move your stop loss to entry, so that's really nice. We entered at 1.19, almost 50, so it's about 40 pips of profit, immediate profit. So this is kind of the trend you want to be involved in. Really nice candles, strong reversal, kind of risk to reward. You're in the good direction. Okay. No one is going to be able to win the market all the time 100%. This is impossible. But if you can get like 70% ratio with a risk to reward 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, then you'll be in a really good situation. Okay, so we have been coming live, given some good trades, and they have been working mostly good. Some they don't do great, but the majority are doing good. Okay, you can see this is the pound dollar in the 1 hour time frame. We did give the trade about 1.34 something. So it's going really nice. Our system, the ABC system, is given a sell signal right now for the Euro Japanese yen. We also have mentioned Euro Japanese yen and pound Japanese yen sell in the video just uploaded about 5 minutes ago to our YouTube channel. So if you guys check it out, you're gonna find Euro Japanese yen and pound Japanese yen also on them. So that's something to keep the eye on. You can just move this magnifier right down here. We can also type here sell pound dollar. We entered 1.3420, so right here. Okay. So the pound dollar sell is at 1.3420 right here, which is really nice. In this area, okay, it's going really nice. Okay, so this is the pound dollar going really nice so far. Nice candles. Euro dollar also is going really nice right here. Pound Japanese yen also. You guys have to know pound Japanese yen is very correlated to pound dollar. It will depend a little bit in the stock market, but the dollar kind of also reversal to the stock market. So most likely the pound Japanese yen is gonna come down with the pound dollar, like strongly, very correlated. Not 100%, but they're strongly correlated to each other. Something to keep the eye on. Okay. The Euro Japanese yen, guys, probably you can look for something like still in the Euro Japanese yen if you want. So those are the 3 trades. You kind of want to move your stop loss to entry. So now you can enjoy a risk-free trade. You just make your stop loss right there, then you just move it down here. Pound Japanese yen also. I will leave for this one a little bit. So now we can enjoy a risk-free trade, which is really nice. Hi Mr. Aziz, how are you? So right here, the pound CHF You can see the CHF is really weak, so the pound CHF is gonna come down, but maybe not now. It's gonna take a little bit of time. So pound CHF is gonna be a sell, and one of the reasons is because the pound index is coming down very strongly. Okay, guys. So the pound index right here is crashing so bad right here. Okay. But pound CHF is not the best to sell. We have given pound Japanese yen and pound dollar sells, and they have been going really good so far. So you know, within 1 hour you are in a risky-free trade and you're looking for some good profit. So this is a risky-free now. Okay, so this is for us is a risky-free as we moved our stop loss to entry, and that one is the same scenario. You guys be careful from gold. Gold is still coming down, and I do expect to come further down, but it's very volatile and risky. So now our trade's in profit, but you know, kind of don't over risk it with gold, especially with gold. You're welcome, sir. The Dow, we have Mr. Suit here asking about the Dow, and Mr. Hassan asking about EuroCAD. Let's start with the Dow right here. I would not trade the Dow for now. See, this price is probably wanna avoid this down wave right here. Wait, possibly you can get a buy from this area, will be better, okay, or that blue one. So right now it's better to avoid, is not a good area to buy. Wait to take a better price, a lower price, possibly the 27,800 or 28,000. So possibly wait a little bit. So if this will go up, avoid it. If it will come down first right here, then later on start going back up, this will be a good area to start taking a buy right here. But for now, it's just going in a range. So if we zoom it, you can see this is just going in within this range. So really is not great to kind of trade this range, okay? Avoid this range. But what I can see is the next wave is down, not up. So I think this is gonna break to the downside, not to the upside. Okay, then after this down, then you're gonna wait to take a buy. Okay, guys, this is what I can see right here. You can see in the 1 hour time frame actually start to going back. So this one here, this is a flat correction right here from the top side, but downside is kind of holding the same top, is not increasing but making lower lows right here. So possibly you're gonna get this flat, but it's kind of expanding flat. So it's actually expanding as it's making a correction. Okay, so this is expanding as it's making a correction. It's expanding further and further down. So I'm gonna make this black just to show right here. Okay, then this second wave right here, like this, you can see that the correction is going strong right here. Then watch out is going back to the same level. So the sellers are holding the 28,500 very firm, okay, and the sellers are pushing further down to get lower lows. After this up wave, which almost the same price, it did fail to reach the 100%. Possibly you're gonna get this wave right here to break down like this. Okay, this is what I can see in the Dow happening right now. I don't think we're ready to break above the 28,800 right now. Most likely we're gonna come to test the 2800 level first. Okay, possibly right there. Okay, so possibly we're gonna test the 2800 again, guys, right there. Okay, possibly we're testing the Dow this area, so I'm gonna type it here. I'm gonna make it red as if we are going down. So Dow Jones to retest 28K first before going to 29,900. Okay, guys. So this was what I can say. The Dow Jones to retest the 28K first before it's going to the 29,900, then 32K. Longer term target is 32K for the Dow. I'm gonna type it right here just to give you. So longer term, 32K. Okay. But right now, this is not a good place to buy it all. Wait, don't buy this one. If the price will break above this one and break above this one right here, I will buy this one. So if you get a breakout above here, this will be a buy. But for now, either you sell it short term or you avoid it. What the benefit of actually looking at the Dow and the SPX, knowing what's going on with them? We will be able to sell pound yen, euro yen, if our forecast is telling us that the Dow is gonna come down. So we're gonna be knowing the Japanese yen is gonna get strong, so we're gonna short the euro and the pound against the Japanese yen. And why are shorting the euro and the pound? Because the dollar is going up. Okay. Anyway, so this is what we can see for this one right now. Back to our trades, is still in a correction mode. Of course, if you guys look from the top right here, this is a big fall from here to here. All this is 112 pips in one day in the pound dollar, and that's the daily range in the pound dollar, about 110 pips. Euro dollar daily range is 70 pips, and for this one right here, he already moved 100 pips. So actually did move a lot more than the daily range. Okay, so for this one, this area from here to here, this is about 160. So you would expect 2 to 3 days to come down all this area. Okay, that's how kind of you look at the chart and know how much time it's going to take to hit your target. First, we do have the EuroCAD question right here. Let's look at the EuroCAD. EuroCAD will be only a sell, and we discussed this one. You can see it's still coming down right here. Okay, the euro is gonna get really, really weak. Okay, we discussed this is actually a very good sell. You can see the EuroCAD is going in downward channel, and we have discussed this in the weekly forecast, and we said we want to take a sell from the highest price you can get. And that was going really nice. What's the target? I tell you what the target. Okay, the target is you measure the distance from the top to the bottom right here. How much pips is this one? This 230 pips. So from this entry to here is 230 pips. Okay, guys. So it depends on how much pips you catch from the top here. If you did catch 50 pips above here, so you want to go for that 200 pips target or so. Okay, 200 pips. 170 in this range. So I'm gonna type it right here, make it red as it's a sell. Okay, so I'm going for about 200 pips. This one I only have it at 100 pips just to get this low, but in what I can say is the price is gonna go much farther down. I can see the price is gonna go all the way down here. Okay, which from my entry is about 180 pips. Okay, guys. So hopefully this will make sense. Don't buy EuroCAD at all. EuroCAD is absolutely a sell. In my opinion, I cannot. You can see this is a very clear downward channel, and the sell candles are gonna be strong. And the other reason we have the EuroCAD to be a sell. Okay, so this is only a sell for me, is the Euro Index. If you go to the Euro Index right here, we discuss. Look at this, guys. We discussed this in the weekly forecast strongly. and we said we expect the same distance right here to be right there, okay, to come down again, to give you the second, because you have to consider time. You can see the euro's crashing so bad. See, look at the euro, right? We said we're gonna only sell the euro. Why is this also happening? Because the dollar index is going up. So the dollar index is going up, it's gonna affect the euro strongly. It's gonna send the euro down. Okay, guys. You can see also in the MACD when it's up right there, you want to only think about the sell. So that's beautiful. Okay. So you look at the euro is gonna crash so bad. We have been discussing that the divergence in the MACD and also in the daily. Look, we are right here. The euro used to be here. This is gonna crash so bad. Also look at the divergence here. This is a downtrend, so this was a big correction. It's gonna come down. Look at this beautiful signal in the daily time frame. So this is gonna come down very strongly. Look at this big candle. The correction, guys, look at this correction going up right there and right there. You can see you go up like 60 bips, you come 50 bips, you go 60 bips, you come 50 bips. You know, you correct about between 60 to 80%. That's one correction. So when you have a correction, it's going against what's going to be the trend. The waves are going to correct themselves inside the correction. So the correction of the correction is going to be about 80%. And that's why this is a correction, not a trend. That's a trend. Look at the candles. Big candles after each other. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay. I think that's going to come all the way down here. Okay. So Euro index is going to land right here very soon. Look at this. Huge fall. Look at this new signal, guys. I discussed this in the weekly. Actually, if you go back to the weekly, I did draw this for you guys and this said how it's gonna look like. It's gonna come down all the way down here, then it's gonna start making a new low right here, and that's gonna be a beautiful sell. You're gonna join this sell, okay? We're gonna avoid this buy because it's gonna be a correction and we're not gonna join it. We're gonna take the sell. It's playing exactly as we discussed in the weekly forecast. We spend a lot of time on this one, so you can expect this one. You can expect, see this low, we're gonna expect a lower low right here, okay? In order for this to happen, you see this low, you have to get this low probably to be in this area in this time, right here, about here. If we take the second time, this time again, up, sorry baby, don't hit your head. Okay, if we measure this top distance right here, just this line right here, this is gonna give you approximately when this wave is going to end, guys. Approximately, not 100%, and the price is gonna end at about 45%. Okay, so this is my expectation for the end of this wave before a major correction and the time, and that's going to be in September 16th. Okay, so this is forecasted or expected price. So Euro index allocation on September 16th. This is just a forecast. It's not gonna be 100%. What does this mean is we can get a deviation of 25%. So the price can reach about 25% of the time before this, or it can reach 25% of the price before this. So really this trend can end up looking like something like this, or end up looking something like this. Both of them acceptable. Okay, so this is what we can see right now. The Euro index within 15 days is gonna land right there. What does this mean for the euro dollar? Other euro pairs like Euro Canadian, Euro Australian, Euro New Zealand, we're gonna get really low prices in the coming 2 weeks. Look at the 4-hour time frame. This start of this red candle or bar right here, this is a continuation of the sell. The DAX, guys, possibly is only a sell, okay, as a correction. So if we remove Australia and New Zealand, this one is going to be really slow, and we put the DAX. DAX is only a sell. I will not buy DAX at all here. This is only a sell. You can see also in the 4-hour time frame, this is a sell signal. I don't expect a crash or anything, but possibly we come down here. You can see all this time, if you notice, the DAX has been going in this area. Possibly we can retest the lower band of this channel before we go up, so we can get this scenario to happen just like this, then we continue back up. Okay guys, this price is about 12,000, so we can get about 800 points fall in the DAX. You can see in the MACD is going really slow right here, it's not moving. Look at this momentum down and momentum up, this V shape in the coronavirus time, and look at this movement, absolutely almost nothing happening right here. So going back to our chart right here, taking a stop loss right here, we can open a sell in the DAX. Okay guys, so we can sell the DAX. And this is all a ranging area guys, okay? So this is ranging area, all this pink is ranging. See the price comes back down, go up, comes down, so it's all ranging right here. So we can sell this one, and you want to go for something like this area or that one maximum. You don't want to go more than that. So possibly right here, the 12,600 is a potential area for target. But don't buy this one, this is not a good buy. Breaking above the 13,250 is a different story. Okay? So as long as that's below 12,250, it's a sell. To 12,650, sorry. Okay guys, so as long as we are below the 12,250, which is about 12,250 exactly right here guys, okay, because that high was 12,2222, okay, 12,222. So as long as we're below here, possibly we're gonna come to the 12,650. I hope this will answer the next question. Okay guys, so that was another update for our trades. They are still going good, we can still hold them. If your plan or strategy to take a quick target and get out, you can close some of your positions or partial positions and get out. If your plan to keep swing trading and you hold for a long time, it's possibly a good trade to hold for a long time. Let's see what happens in the market. Thank you guys for joining me today. It was my pleasure. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you and have a wonderful day.